Okay, and I think it's still morning, or is it afternoon? It's afternoon. I'm Dr. Deuk, and we're here at Deuk Spine Institute with one of my patients who just had the Deuk laser disc repair. And you traveled from Ohio, right?
I flew in from Ohio Tuesday night.
Okay, and why did you come here?
Well, I've had pain in my back since last July, August. It got so bad I went to my doctor and went to a spine surgeon in Akron, Ohio. And he recommended lumbar fusion. But he told me that I would basically not be able to do much more than care for myself for 6 months. And I have an infirm husband at home, and I am his full-time caretaker. And I asked the doctor, I said, what am I supposed to do about my husband? Because he said I'd be in the hospital for 3 days and then in rehab for a couple weeks. And I said, what should I do about my husband? He said, well, you'll have to put him in a nursing home. And I just didn't want to do that.
Yeah,
So,
understood.
So then my daughter, who just lives in Florida, and she had worked here at the Deuk Spine Institute, and she told me about it. So I started researching, and then I ended up calling, and you spoke with me on Skype, and I felt that that was the better solution for me. So I flew down Tuesday, met you on Wednesday, and had the surgery on Thursday. And I'm flying back to Ohio tomorrow night.
Well, that's one of the best interviewees I've ever had. She laid it out perfectly. So now you just had surgery an hour ago. You came out of the operating room. How are you feeling?
I feel fine. I feel not pain, but maybe pressure still in my back.
What about the pain you had before surgery?
Well, before, I wouldn't be able to stand up this long. It would have started, the pain was at the middle, lower part of my back, but then it tingled out through the right hip and across the right hip, even into the front a little bit. So I have none of that.
None of that. It's all gone. And we haven't given you any pain medicine, just so you know.
Okay.
We gave you propofol, and propofol just makes you sleep, but it doesn't take pain away. So what you're feeling now, I expect you to have for the rest of your life unless you re-injure your back somehow, which you're not going to do.
Absolutely not.
So are you happy?
I'm very happy.
And what are you going to do now that you don't have that pain anymore?
First, I'll go home and call my husband, and then just sit back and read. I'm going to drink tab.
Tab, all right.
Class of
I saw her tab yesterday in clinic. She put it in the windowsill. I haven't seen a can of tab in a long time.
That's the only thing I drink.
Since you were younger. Yeah.
50 years ago.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Wow.
I'm about 50 now. I'm 50. All right. And I remember when I was a kid, Tab came out, and they used to always have those commercials with the slim model drinking Tab. Remember those?
I do.
All right.
I
So
started then, and
Yeah.
I've drank ever since.
I bet. Now you've gotten up there in the years. Is there any age you think that this kind of surgery shouldn't be done? Or if somebody wants it done, they can get it done because it's so safe?
I'm 82, and I flew down from Ohio by myself, and I'm going home by myself, and I feel fine.
Yeah, should people live with the kind of pain you had, or
Oh.
should they get it fixed?
I don't see how they could live with it.
Yeah.
I knew I couldn't.
Yeah.
So,
All right, well, is there anything else you want to say to your friends and family out there?
well, just thank you for all the love and prayers. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, you enjoy yourself. Take care of your husband.
Thank
Be good, okay? All right.
Thank you.